How to verify your phone number in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify your phone number in Shopee. First of all, open up the Shopee.com website. Make sure you log into your account. Then, click on your profile name from the top right corner and go into My Account from here. Now, from your account, go into Profile. From here, you will find all your profile details. So click on the New button from the Phone Number section. Then enter your phone number right here. Once you enter the phone number, it will take you to the next step. After that, you will successfully verify your phone number. So that is exactly how you can verify your phone number in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.